Well, as the new year gets underway, so does the first term of Baton Rouge's newest judge, Ebony Johnson-Rose. This morning, I talked with Judge Johnson-Rose and two other Johnson judges for their story, which is truly uniquely Baton Rouge.
She'll be much closer now, so I'm happy to see her drive in the parking lot, and I'll know when she leaves and when she comes. So I'm glad of that. Welcome to the 19th JDC.
It's a welcome like none other for the newest judge inside Baton Rouge's 19th Judicial District Court.
I'm a leave her in the dust, though, but I want her to catch up real fast, real fast.
Longtime Judge Don Johnson is talking about his niece, Ebony Johnson-Rose, just elected to the bench.
What this would really mean, not only for our family, but for anyone that looks like us, that they too could rise to a certain level of success.
Johnson-Rose's success comes after a lengthy career in public service, working first as an associate in a private law firm before spending more than a decade as a trial attorney for the state of Louisiana. In December, East Baton Rouge Parish residents voted overwhelmingly to elect Johnson-Rose, making her not only the first or second Johnson judge to serve on the bench at one time, but the third. That's Johnson-Rose's father, Ron, her Uncle Don's twin brother, and 19th JDC judge himself administering her oath of office.
We want others to know that if you live a certain life, if you have principles and morals and you stand on your beliefs, that you too can obtain what we have been able to.
Their success comes as the result of decades of hard work and perseverance. The Johnson brothers grew up poor in East Baton Rouge Parish and, believing education was key, helped integrate schools in the capital city as they continued prioritizing education for themselves and their family.
So one decision to do that led to another choice, led to another decision. And we have been churning that butter, so to speak, ever since, to make it better and better for others that follow.
Now that legacy flows through three Johnsons in the 19th JDC, and while they come from the same family with the same name, you might expect to see something different in the new year.
I like to call myself the Joshua generation. They're the Moses generation. And so I plan on doing much more in the community than what they've done, because one generation should always exceed the previous generation.
In Baton Rouge, I'm Jaron Jordan, NBC Local 33 News.